viewers, this is no other than SAVUT, Savuta, the young philosopher who uses his cerebrum to create the wrong ideas to the direction and find right solutions in a correct way without using a calculator. Like if you are a conductor, so like, share and comment. Messi, before you go, imagine you are a conductor, so ufuna uza abantu kuta dadi mukwera so ngauze bwanyi mchizungu. So ngauze bwanyi mchizungu kama
wait
kamba kaingi. Imagine you are a conductor, so ufuna uza abantu kuta dadi mukwera so auze mchizungu.
What?
I'm waiting for you to respond.
Daddy, are you querying?
Tifunza vyakwati imajinga you are a conductor. Manje ofuno wauza uta dadi mukwera manje ungauze bwanyi mchizungu.
Mchizungu. I can tell the muntu tukwera to say bwana are you querying this motor since mufuno enda kwa sisi.
Oh my god.
Wakamba chizungu cheni ilibe but you want to kwera.
Okay. Mr. Man, I see that you are busy, but imagine like you are a conductor. So ufuna uza abantu ta dadi mukwera ungauze bwanyi mchizungu.
Dadi are you climbing?
Aye.